English, Quarter 1, Module 1, Sounds Around Us. What I know. In this part of the lesson, you will also be able to check if you already know how to identify the different sounds that you hear. Ask your parent or guardian to help you with this activity by making the sounds listed below. Direction. Listen as your parent or guardian makes the sound written beside the pictures below. Write a check if it is the correct sound for what is in the picture and write across if it is not correct. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Okay, let's start now. Take a look at picture number 1. Okay, so what do we have in here? So we have a cat. Yes, it's a cat. And under the cat, the sound is meow, meow. Is it right or wrong? Is it a check or an X? Yes, it's a check because meow, meow is the sound of a cat. Now let's take a look at picture number 2. Okay, picture number 2 is a picture of a pig. And the sound under the pig is oink, 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 oink. It is correct or wrong? Yes, it's a check because it's the correct sound of the pig. Okay, take a look at picture number 3. Then we have a bird. Good job. Under the bird, the sound is ding dong, ding dong. Is it correct? Okay, it is not correct, so we have to put an X into it. Okay, because ding dong is a sound of what? It is a sound of a doorbell. Okay, great. Now let's go to picture number 4. We've got a cell phone. Under the cell phone, the sound is ring, 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 ring. Is that correct? Yes, it should be a check. Yes, because the sound of the cell phone is ring, 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 ring. Good job. Now on picture number 5, we have a car. And under the car, we had the broom, broom sound. Broom, broom. Okay, great. Is it correct? Or is it an X? Yes, it's a check. Good job. Because the sound of a car is broom, broom. Okay, let's try to answer again. So cat, this is a cat. Meow, meow. So it's a check. Good job. This is a pig. And the sound of a pig is oink, oink. It's a check. A bird. Sound of a bird is ding dong, ding dong. Of course, it's an X because it's not the sound of a bird. The sound of a bird is tweet, 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 tweet. Number 4, a cell phone. Ring, ring. Yes, it's a check. And a car. Broom, broom. Yes, it's a check. Or it's correct. Good job. Lesson 1, English Sounds Around Us. Now, you will read a story about a boy who hears a lot of sounds on his way to school. Read and understand the story, then answer the questions that follow on a separate piece of paper. It was 6 o'clock in the morning. Ring! Lito woke up when he heard the alarm clock. As he was preparing to go to school, he heard the dog barking. Ow! 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 Then he heard vroom! Honk honk! It was Kuya Ben on his tricycle. Kuya Ben fetched Lito and brought him to school every day. On the way to school, Ben saw and heard jeepneys, trucks, vans, and taxis. There were many passers-by on the streets. Lito was in a hurry to be in school. Sorry, Lito, there is a traffic jam, Kuya Ben said as they waited for the red light to turn green. Finally, they arrived at the school. Lito heard the school bell ringing. Thank you, Kuya Ben. I am not yet too late, Lito said happily. As you could see in the picture, this is Lito with Kuya Ben on their way to school, and there is a traffic jam. You could see there are some jeepneys, taxis, trucks, and vans. Good thing they weren't late, or he wasn't late for school. Now, let's answer the questions below. Copy your answer from the choices in the parentheses. Write your answer on a sheet of paper. Number 1. How does Lito prepare for school every day? He wakes up early. He wakes up late. He sleeps late. Okay, the answer here is he wakes up early. Good job. Yes, we need to wake up early so that we won't be late for school. Great. Number 2, what sounds did Lito hear while on his way to school? Broom, broom, meow, meow, cring, cring. The answer here is vroom, vroom. Good job, because Lito heard cars on the street on his way to school. Good job. Number 3, who is Kuya Ben? A driver, a student, a teacher? What is the answer in here? Yes, Kuya Ben is a driver. Great. Kuya Ben in the morning fetched Lito and brought him to school every day. Okay, next. Number 4, what might happen if they did not follow traffic rules? They would go home early. They might meet an accident. They stayed on the road. What is the answer? Okay, they might meet an accident. That's why we have to follow traffic rules. Number 5, what sound did Lito hear when he arrived at the school? Ow, 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 cring. Broom. What is the answer in here? It's cring. That is the sound of the bell at school. It means the school will begin. Okay? Good job.